In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change or add voice effects on your voiceovers on KineMaster video. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, I have here a voiceover that I added on it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Great. However, I like this voiceover to sound differently. I like to add some effects on that voiceover. To do that in KineMaster, it's quite simple. So go and tap on the timeline that contains your voiceover. Then from here, scroll down until you get to the bottom here, and then change this to this, from menu to this dotted menu. And you can see we have the voice changer option. So to change your voice, go ahead and tap on voice changer. You can see currently it is set to normal. You can now change to any of these, either crawl, monster, bad guy, we have echo, and even funny, and so many others. So you can even transform it to arcade sound. If I choose that, now listen in.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
And that's great. The voice has been transformed from a mature voice to arcade's voice. So that's how you alter your voiceover, or that's how you change your voiceover on KineMaster app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.